This is probably one of the coolest things I found off of TikTok Shop in a long time. It's a mini car refrigerator. You can adjust the temperature and it has two different outlets, so you can plug it into a normal plug, but you can also plug it in your car as well. It also holds quite a bit of stuff. These are my glass water bottles, so they are taller than normal ones, so I just laid them on their side, but it fit 5 of those. I put 2 energy drinks in there, a bunch of bananas, 2 wellness shots, and some oranges, and I was good to go for my trip. Click the link and get yours too.